Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to find percentages of two numbers on monday.com. So if you are working on monday.com and if you want to find percentages of two numbers, what do you have to do? Let's open no, I'm gonna open another one because the previous one was pretty scrambled. Okay, this one seems good. So let's start with this. So if you have to find percentages of two numbers, you have to add two columns of numbers. This is number 1 and this is number 2. All right. And the third, we need to type formula. Here you go. So what do you have to do? Let me just show you. You can write a number 50 and 200. Now, if we have to find percentages of both of these numbers, what do we need to do? We have to go here on formula, click the plus icon. Okay. And then we have to go down and yes, this one. We have to use this formula. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, guys. Sorry for that. But it's con concatenate. Yeah, concatenate. It's a new word for me. So we have to select this and then set formula. And once we have selected this, what do we need to do? We have to go here on column and then we have to come down number 1 slash, wait a second, slash number 2. And then what do we have to do? We have to multiply, use the sign of multiplication and then 100. And here you go. Now we have this formula that is applied correctly, absolutely correct. And this formula gave us the percentage of both of these numbers. So for example, if I want a percentage of 10 and 100, here you go, 10, right there is. So this is how you actually find percentages of two numbers on monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.